quick demonstration of the install for you. This is how a kit is going to come out of the package. It's cut into 3 pieces. We're going to start with a side, and I'll walk through that as I go. All these are pre-cut to the size, so just peel them off. Align this piece to the back of the boat. And I follow the screw tips down the side of the boat to get it straight. You can use a squeegee, a credit card, anything of similar nature. As you can see, you're able to pull this back up, flatten it out, get it where you need it. On to the next piece. Same deal with this piece. Start in the back, line to the back edge, follow the screw heads this time all the way down to get it straight. On the windows, I have talked about using visual cues to line them up. If you look here, you have your little hatch holder, and we use the center screw on the window. Line it right up to that hatch holder, and that will wrap right around where it needs to be. On the window sides, we've incorporated approximately a 3/16 inch gap. So you just line the bottom up with your gap, run it down the body line of the boat. Squeegee it out flat. This nose is the trickiest piece, and we've talked about how people are going to handle the tails, but since the vinyl is so thick and laminated, it's not really an issue. Just line the nose up to the screw. I just press in the center to set that. Bring this out till it aligns center. Set that. Run the runners down the side of the boat. Little driver pods here. We've built in these little tips so that it's easy for install. You just align that to the center of the pod. Hold that tip with your finger and line the back up to the body lines. Pressure straight down the center, down each side, and it's done. All the other pieces are redundant, so we're going to skip them for this video. The last piece is the back. Just align that to the screws in the back and the body line, and that is done.